Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into something super exciting, how to use artificial intelligence right inside Power BI to make your dashboard smarter and easier to use. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with Power BI, by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to leverage the powerful Q&A tool to interact with your data in a whole new way. You'll be able to turn questions into visuals and make your dashboards much more intuitive. Alright, let's get started. You'll want to begin in the Data pane in Power BI where your dataset is already loaded up. Now, if you're like most people working with real data, you probably have quite a few tables and fields listed here. That's totally fine, and actually it's part of what makes the AI features in Power BI so useful. You don't need to remember every column by heart, because the Q&A tool can help guide you through your own data. So over in the Visualizations pane, look for the icon that says Q&A. It usually looks a bit like a speech bubble. Go ahead and drag that onto your report canvas. What you're doing here is adding the Q&A visual to your dashboard. Think of it as an interactive search box that's powered by artificial intelligence. Instead of manually dragging in fields or building formulas from scratch, you can simply type a question like you would in a conversation. Let's try something together. Inside the Q&A window, type a simple question, for example, give me the bar chart data. The AI engine will look at your data model and interpret your request. I like to think of it as Power BI's way of speaking your language and finding the closest match in your data. In just a second or two, Power BI generates a visual that matches your question. It might not look exactly the way you wanted at first, but don't worry, that's what we'll tweak next. Now here's a useful tip. Once you have a Q&A visual with some data displayed, take your mouse and click right beside the gear icon. You'll see options to convert or customize this visual. By clicking here, you can turn the Q&A preview into a standard visual, something you can further adjust and format just like any other chart in Power BI. Go ahead and select to make it a bar chart if it isn't already. This locks in your visual so you can resize, color, or refine it the way you like. The real magic is you're not limited to just one question. You can ask the Q&A tool a wide range of questions about your data, things like total sales by region or show me the top 5 products by revenue. If the AI doesn't have quite enough information to give you a perfect answer, it'll get as close as it can and sometimes offer clarifications or suggestions. Don't worry if it doesn't get it right the first time. You can rephrase your question or try something more specific, and often you'll get exactly what you're looking for. And really, that's all there is to it. You've just used AI in Power BI to speed up your dashboard creation, make insights easier to find, and even help other users ask their own questions without needing to know the details of the data model. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Power BI tips like this. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.